Do you hate the pain and inconvenience on the crutches? Do you struggle to be normal but cannot do more? Follow me to know more about OS-based New Walker. OS-based inflatable knee scooter gives you the freedom to continue to do your daily activities with comfort and ease. Their sturdy durable frame provides a robust 300 pounds weight capacity. Comfortable cushion knee pad features two are free to adjust a wide range of uses. It can relieve pain, reduce friction, and skin irritation. OS-based Steerable knee walker can fold without the need for tools for easy storage and transportation. It can easily fold and unfold will be best. It will allow you to put it in your car with ease. This new walker has twin handbrakes that lock easily and quickly for when you need to use both your hands. People with very specialized jobs and hobbies prefer this. Ortega knee scooter is the choice for people who like to explore the outdoors. This scooter has bigger air tires with more rubber to help navigate through a multitude of rough surfaces. It is designed to roll easily over dirt, concrete, grass, and even light snow.